Hey guys, hope everybody's doing great this Friday and looking forward to the weekend. I'm going to be setting up in Brady, try to find some homes for some of this cast iron. I got this beast in today, just wanted to show it because I think it's pretty cool. A lot of people like the Descoware, the flame. When I took and won this in the auction, I had no clue that this was going to be this big because usually they'll put the size. This one didn't have the size. The picture made it look small. Um, and it wasn't expensive, so I thought, hey, you know what? Can't be that much. That thing's 12 foot, 12 inches. It's a full foot across. It needs to be cleaned, but there's no chips, no nothing. I mean, even the handles look good. So I really think this one is going to become part of the collection because I don't have anything this big. I mean, I've got the large. I kept all the USA enamel ones, but even it's nowhere close to as big as this one is. You can't really tell unless you get really to the side. It has FE in Belgium there. And up there it has 16, but usually 16 is like the number they put on the smaller skillets, but that one's got I think a B underneath and then a 2H. So not sure. The 16, like I said, usually when it says 16, they're the smaller skillets, but this one is not small at all. So just wanted to show you. I thought it was pretty cool. Let everybody see the Belgian Beast. Y'all have a good one.